This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you can edit system files. If not, export your call log. Once done, open the exported CSV, XML, or SQLite file so you can edit entries directly. You need one reliable editor: a spreadsheet for CSV, a text/XML editor, or DB browser for SQLite. Make sure to duplicate the original file first so you have a recovery copy. This protects you against corruption and lets you compare changes later. You will now change the timestamp and duration fields. First, convert human dates to the file's format. Use epoch seconds for SQLite or ISO 8601 for XML/CSV because the app reads precise formats. Then edit duration values in seconds or HH, mm, SS depending on the schema. Incorrect units break display. Also verify contact ID and call type. Incoming/outgoing/miss. You're ready to put edits back. Save the file and repackage or replace it in the same path and format. Once done, restore to the device and set proper file permissions and ownership so the system accepts the file. Then open the call log app and verify that date, time, and duration display correctly. If entries don't appear, clear the app cache or reboot, and if something goes wrong, restore your original copy immediately to recover the original state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.